nueva línea de alfombras basada en la belleza de la tierra, creada con hilo postconsumo y apta para interior y exterior, lo que la hace perfecta para colocar en cualquier espacio. El 70% de nuestras colecciones están fabricadas con materiales sostenibles y reciclados, y nuestra meta es en 3 años llegar a que este número sea al 100%.
We wanted to introduce colour into the structures, so keeping the structures very simple, working very closely with those designs, and the Strata is actually a new collection based on the Terra designs.
So the Strata collection came about because we were initially talking to Rolls, and we felt like it was a really good collaboration because they've got similar values to us.
Inspiration for the Strata collection came very much from the natural forms, the earth, organic forms, and the strata that you find already in rock formations.